Hello there, we're going to take a look at some of our weather stories from around the world. Starting off over in the United States, where we've got a cold front, a curl of cloud you can see here working its way eastwards. Ahead of that, some thunderstorms broke out across Dallas, and this is what those thunderstorms did. Yesterday evening, silhouetted by the lightning, you can make out the funnel of a tornado that actually made landfall across the north of Dallas. It's brought some damage, but thankfully no reports of injuries or fatalities. Now looking at the weather picture at the moment, we've got still a front with us. Big thunderstorms being drawn northwards from the Gulf of Mexico. They're likely to bring some torrential rain into the south of Texas over the next 24 hours. But the whole weather system continues to edge eastwards. And as it does so, getting cooler northwesterly winds feeding in. So temperatures are dropping. Highs of 11 degrees, for example, forecast high in Denver to take us through Tuesday afternoon. Now, a little bit further southwards and eastwards, if you like, and heading over into India. Well, we've got some big clouds across southern areas of India at the moment, but out in the Arabian Sea, this area of cloud, an area of low pressure, looks quite likely to develop over the next few days into a cyclonic storm. Now, once this has developed, there is some uncertainty about exactly where it's heading, but it could have impacts perhaps towards Oman, perhaps bringing some heavy rain to western areas of India. Meanwhile, we have tropical storm Neoguri, which has been affecting Japan. Actually, this storm system is undergoing its transition into a normal area of low pressure. That's why it doesn't really look like a tropical system. What is for sure, though, is it's bringing some heavy rain to eastern areas of Japan. So there is a risk of some localised flooding here, perhaps some landslides up in the mountains, with the weather improving from the south over the next 24 hours. Elsewhere across this part of the world, we're looking at a largely dry picture for eastern areas of China with some warm sunshine here. Quite cloudy weather for the south of China with some showers working in. We've got a typhoon that's likely to cross the Mariana Islands over the next 24 hours. In New Zealand, cold southwesterly winds bring a spell of mountain snow. Now, about 600 metres elevation and above, we could see around 6 to 12 centimetres here over the next 24 hours, so some localised disruption. But in Europe, it's this weather front that could cause some issues. Big thunderstorms at the moment popping up across parts of northern Italy, but over the next few days, the focus of torrential falls of rain will be across northeastern parts of Spain and southern France, where there's a risk of some localised flash flooding developing over the next few days, and that could well make for some news headlines as we go through Tuesday, perhaps into Wednesday as well.